To create LAN connector you need Ethernet cable, RJ45 connectors, crimping tool, cable stripper, cable tester. Follow video to create LAN connector in Cat6 or Cat5 cable. Follow the color coding: white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, brown. Always use high quality Ethernet cables and connectors for better performance. Make sure the wires are in the correct order before crimping to avoid connection issues. If the cable doesn't work, recheck the wiring order and ensure the wires are fully inserted into the connector. Use cable tester to test cable working properly. For watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. See you in the next video.